So hello guys, and this is the video, and this is the part 4 of the video. And after watching this video, please subscribe and please thumbs up too. The first one in my craft routines is this long paper, so big crayons, friends profile, and drawing spaces. Parisian magazine with 20% discount. Activity passport from Jollibee. Some tags or stickers. Special paper. Stickers from Zapapa. Wish needle stickers. Soul toucher. Puzzle. 100 pieces. Puzzle. 100 pieces. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it.